Okay guys, we're gonna harvest our white dragon fruit in the front yard slope. We just bear fruit all over the place. Okay, let's count it. This 2, 4, 8. This is sometimes dangerous.
Get the
Yeah. Just look the toy. Hmm?
oh no.
It good thing this one. Put them on the ground so that you have the power. See, we still have babies over here. Maybe a couple more weeks. It's gonna turn red. But this is white, as you can see. It's red outside, but it's white inside. See, look at this. So we have the red dragon fruit too in the backyard, but it has babies still here. Okay, last one. So this one, see this white stuff over here on the skin, the slugs and the snails eating it. Oh, it's a good harvest. We have 9.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Oh, 10. So that's a lot already. That's a lot.
Pantagla.
Okay, we go swap meat.
Gonna go sell them.
Go swap meat already. So I already harvest the one in back. I think I harvested 6.
6 or 5?
6, I think. Right there. You know,
5.
yeah, 5.
Look, it's red. This one is red, but then this one is pink. It's because this one, there's a shed.
No,
This one is direct sunlight.
This one in the backyard, they climb on the moringa tree. Moringa tree. So they have the roots of the dragon fruits. They suck up the nutrients of the moringa tree. So yeah, look, we have a lot.
Wow.
We're gonna
15.
freeze it maybe, because we cannot eat them all.
Okay, Russ. Can come now.
Yeah. So I harvested it on that one right there. That moringa tree. So as you can see, there's more babies over there. We're gonna wait maybe a couple of weeks before it turn red. Huh? Yeah, 2 more weeks.
And then there's flowers, some flowers. Oh, I need to water my plants.
Okay. It's okay.
2 weeks later.
Okay, we're gonna harvest for the last time because we're gonna trim the whole thing. We're gonna remove the dragon fruit.
Alam dado apat partido.
Yeah, it's
All you
too
have to do is twist.
it's too tall. This we gotta like trim it down to
Look at
here.
this, look at this. See? Color.
This is white, purple. We plan to.
Supposed to be like this, Dad.
Oh, twins.
We plan to remove all like the dragon fruit cactus so that we can trim the base moringa down to here. Like basically just cut it in half because it is getting too tall. We have to like, in order to trim this tree, we gotta like get it on a ladder.
Yeah,
And-
but you're gonna miss the dragon fruit.
Yeah. Well, you guys, I don't really eat dragon fruit too much.
No, me. I like smoothie. This is healthy. Oh, somebody eat the.
Somebody?
Yeah, somebody.
It's a freaking bird.
Marjorie.
Marjorie. Yeah. It happens. The birds like eating them.
Not birds.
Yeah, birds or rats. I don't know. I've never seen a rat here before.
No, I seen a rat over here. It's like running on the fence.
Yeah, me personally though, I haven't seen a rat in Hawaii. Only in the Philippines. Yeah, we're gonna harvest this. Yeah, should we time lapse this? Time lapse it? Oh man. Okay. So I'm just gonna stand here and record you.
You don't have to.
And banana bread. But yeah, our goal is to finally remove the cactus because it's making the tree grow taller. Obviously it's a cactus, so it's painful.
So what? We're gonna give this to Uncle Ross.
Yeah. I'd like to. Yeah,
But he's not here.
you can get a scale of how tall our tree is from the base tree. It's like almost has half the height of our house. So we're in need of getting rid of all this so that we can reduce the height.
Please. It's big. Oh.
Huh?
Yeah, they're beginning to flower again.
Are you serious?
Non-stop.
Oh my
Until
gosh.
November, this one.
See, look.
Oh man. Yeah, look, there's another
This is
one.
non-stop. Yeah.
There's only one though.
So that means we cannot cut them yet. We gotta.
Yeah, wait till that one.
November until
Oh.
November.
Oh yeah, wait, there's another one over there.
Where?
Right there.
Banana
Where?
tree.
Oh yeah. More over there too. On the other,
Ah, yeah, there's so many of them.
the other
I
side.
mean, it's it.
Yeah. So we have to wait.
That's but. Well, let's just treat it like it's the last time we'll ever harvest like this.
This is the most.
Oh, this one is not yet. And then the Tumaco, you gotta
Red.
see the front too. That's a lot.
Oh yeah.
Use go record. Go record.
Okay. I'm gonna take you guys to the front. It's gonna be a little detour, because that is not it. That's actually not the only dragon fruit we have in our house. It's only, I believe, one of 4. So here at the front of the house, we have this. Yeah, we're in need of trimming this too because obviously we can't cut the grass around, and having non-cut grass, or it's like killing our grass here because all the shade's not getting sun. But yeah, my mom planted 3 stalks here, and now look at this mess. We have to trim this. So yeah, we actually wait. I believe we have another one over here. Ah, yes. So, my mom actually just planted one there, which I'm very scared about because it's right next to another moringa tree, and yeah, trimming the moringa trees with the dragon fruit growing on it is really painful, especially when, you know, I don't like wearing tough, rugged clothing. So we're gonna go back. Okay. Yeah, I just showed him about all the dragon fruit.
That one is not ready yet. Maybe a couple more days.
Yeah.
2 or 3 days. Oh, look at this, one basket already.
No, tomorrow.
Oh my gosh.
Tomorrow will
You
be
can't see it, but it's like up to the top.
Yeah, that's it. But
Oh, dapat dyan.
oh, we get some more over there.
Oh yeah. So we have 4 total, I believe.
Oh, there's not
Oh, what the heck? 5, I guess. I forgot about that one. This one's smaller, but it's starting to climb our fence and the neighbors. So
oh, there's some over there by Mama.
yeah, just let Mama have it.
This is the red one.
Yeah, this is our 3rd red. Can I take this one?
Yeah, okay. Twist.
Ah. Oh no. Well, actually, it's pretty good.
Let's see. There's one more over there. Oh, they eat it.
Oh, what? The rat?
The slugs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess.
Slugs.
Oh, we cut it open and oh, the ants. Ooh.
Actually, if you can still eat that.
No, no, you cannot. That's disgusting. The slugs.
Throw them away already.
The slugs drilled a hole and then the ants are eating it.
Look at this, one basket.
Oh,
We can sell this.
that's too much.
Yeah.
For sale.
No, we're gonna frozen it. Give some to Uncle Ross.
Yeah.
Because that's what he waiting for.
Daddy, paano yung nilalagay nga to?
Where?
Right there.
We did.
No, no, there's one in the. Oh, I see. It's in the trees.
Where?
It's in the tree.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even see that. There's 2. There's 3 of them in the trees. Dad, they're in the trees.
I know. Why they're here?
Oh, nee, look, the orange fell already.
You guys not
Oh.
eating the orange.
Oh, it's a good one. Oh no, never mind. It's a bad one. Oh, the camera, you can't even see anything. It's so dark.
No, there's a lot.
Mop. Put that in a water dog. Put the garlic.
Yeah, it's getting a little dark now. It's like, what?
I got 3 more here.
Yeah, because they're in the trees, Dad. What are these?
Oh, there's a lot.
Wait, no. Okay, I shouldn't have said that.
That's good.
Nice.
See you when I see you.